pick up blocks, I fix my bear, I put my toys back everywhere. Tidy room so nice and neat, now there's space for cozy feet. Splish splash goes the water high, bubbles float and giggles fly. Rub-a-dub, I wash and play, getting fresh the bedtime way. Toothbrush dancing up and down, chasing crumbs from teeth so brown. Rinse and smile, now I'm clean, shiny teeth like movie scenes. Pages turning, stories bright, animals playing in the night. One more book, then off I go, to dream of stars and moonlight glow. Head on pillow, soft and deep, I close my eyes and start to sleep. Hug my bear and whisper slow, "Good night, world, I love you so."